Hi, now I'm going to show you in Excel how to record a macro. Okay, let's go to Excel. Okay, go to macros here. You may be here in home, then you go to view, then go to macros in Excel. You see view macros, you can view the existing macros or record a macro, and you can record a macro and use relative reference. Okay, now we are going to record a macro. Okay, recording has two ways, either is absolute reference or relative reference. Okay, you can now I consider it's a absolute macro. That means whatever action you do, the same place it will be doing. Relative reference is whatever action you do now, you put the cursor in some other cell, it will start from there. Okay, now it's absolute macro. I will also put two more videos about absolute macro and relative macro later. Okay, just I put a record a macro. Okay, what is this macro? My macro is type hello. Okay, you can also put a short key here. For example, I put O, control O. Okay, store macro in this worksheet. Okay, now you can see a button here. This is the button. It is started recording your actions now. So what I am putting here is I just put A1 cell. I just make it bigger and put hello bird. Okay, now what I am doing is, after that I go to the next cell and color the cell. After that I move the cursor down and stop the macro. Now I just stop the macro, click here. Okay, after finishing we already recorded the macro. Okay, now this is absolute macro. So you see view macros, you can see type hello is there. Okay, so we are going to run this macro. Before we are going to run this macro, we will delete whatever we have done now. Okay, now I'll leave the cursor somewhere. Okay, not at the A1. Now let's see what is happening. I'm going to run the macro, type hello and run. See, whatever action we have done, it is done at the same place. And this is the absolute macro, but this is the way you can record a macro. Okay, thank you.